In French, this is pronounced réserve, réserve, réserve. But you can pronounce it in English reserve. In French, reserve refers to something that you put aside to consume later, that you save for later. It is often used in wine production to indicate wines that have been set aside for later consumption, therefore wines that need a little bit more maturation and that are of higher quality. Hence, the reserve wines often being better than standard wines, or the word reserve or réserve indicating higher quality wines. Réserve, reserve. It is often used in champagne to indicate wines that are aged and stored at the winery for several years to be assembled and blended later on in non-vintage champagnes. Reserve.